Kevin and Derek here with the Kostoff team here at Sunflower Bank. You know, Derek, one of the biggest expenses, really, of buying a new home or even maintaining a home is homeowners insurance.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's one of those things that you have to have. You may never use.
Nor do you ever want to pay for.
Right? But on the off chance that you need it for some reason, boy, you better have it.
Boy, howdy. And as we're watching the very, very unfortunate situation unfolding down in North Carolina and Florida after Hurricane Helene, it really comes to light because a lot of those poor folks, especially in the mountains of North Carolina, I will guarantee probably did not have flood insurance, which is mainly what affected those folks.
Right. Well, who thinks that you need to have that when you live in the mountains of an inland state?
Yes. So,
right?
It's a very complicated thing, and I think it really emphasizes the importance of having a good home agent that you can reach out to, and not just an 800 number. If you do need an agent here locally, give us a call. We have several that we really, really like and have seen provide great customer service. But bigger picture, these folks can help you navigate a very complicated industry.
Right. I mean, it's just like any other contract, right? If you don't know what you're looking for and you don't know what to ask, you're at their mercy, right? So are you going to get an actual cash value and save some money, or are you going to get full replacement value? Cost you more, but for the folks that are in North Carolina right now, they're going to need every penny they can get a hold of through that policy to rebuild.
If their homeowners covers that flood,
Absolutely.
Which in most cases it probably doesn't. But not just to point that out, we had fires here not very long ago, and guess what? Those affected people in North Carolina's insurance rates as well, because that's how insurance works, is it spreads out the risk over many different homes and different areas.
Right. So we saw, what did Travis tell us? Average across the United States, an increase of 22%.
Last year, yep.
We may, with the fires that happened in Colorado and California and Arizona, plus the flooding on the East Coast, we may be in for that again this year. Don't know.
On top of that, we're hearing that the days of the flat rate deductible are going away, and that they're all moving to percentage deductibles. So in many cases, we saw people that had a $5,000 deductible, a $10,000 deductible on their home, meaning that if they had a loss, that's all they had to pay. More and more companies are moving to a percentage. We've heard as high as 5% and as low as 2%. Probably depends on how much you want to pay.
Right. So $1 million house, 2%, 20 grand. The first $20,000 is on you, the homeowner. I don't know what a roof costs these days, north of 20 grand, but not a whole lot, right? So you're talking about some very serious issues have to happen to your house in order to even start looking at putting in a claim on your insurance.
Our friends in the industry are telling us basically homeowners insurance is becoming a catastrophic policy, meaning that it's only used during catastrophe.
Right. Broken windows are going to be a thing of the past.
Yeah, a bathroom leak is going to be a thing of the past. It's going to be just major issues. So if you need, like I said, a good agent to talk to, please give us a call. We have several that we really, really like and have seen provide great customer service.
And if it's time for your renewal, take the time to sit down with your agent, right? I know it's 20 pages and I know it's boring, just like talking to Kevin and I when we do an application, right? You need to understand what's covered in there and, more importantly, what isn't covered.
I would wholeheartedly emphasize that. Yeah, that is incredibly important and definitely something we all tend to overlook for convenience. Give Derek and I a call. We're here to help. Kevin and Derek, Kostoff Team at Sunflower Bank.